Hi friends, I hope you all are doing awesome. Your very own DC analysis is back with a bang by providing yesterday's accurate analysis and perfect prediction about the match. And DC Delhi Capitals have won the match. So today we are going to provide you prediction and analysis for SRH and RCB match. Two teams with very passionate fan base in the south of India are going to be opening their IPL 2020 season against each other. The Sunrisers Hyderabad and the Royal Bangalore Challengers will lock horns in Dubai as they seek to get off to a winning start. SRH finished third in IPL group stage in 2019 but lost to the Delhi Capitals in the eliminator. It will be a challenge for the team to once again reach the playoff as every team comes back stronger. RCB has never won the IPL but has reached the IPL final three times in the past. With Virat Kohli as a captain, you do not get any credits for finishing second, and so the pressure is on RCB to deliver in 2020. SRH and RCB IPL 2020 is going to be played at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai on the 21st September 2020. Now coming up to the team previews for Sunrisers Hyderabad. SRH is a very successful IPL team and has been a challenger for the title in most recent years. It won in 2016 and was a finalist in 2018 as well. A lot of success has rested on some tremendous batting performance from its overseas players. David Warner, Kane Williamson, and Johnny Bairstow are the core of the batting unit. They have been consistent and have been able to cover some obvious batting deficiencies in the Indian players that they have. You would think that all three of these players are going to start, but the leaves just one more place for an overseas all-rounder or bowler. With Rashid Khan in there, it seems as if the overseas players are locked in for the first match at least. Manish Pandey, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Shahbaz Nadeem, and Vridhiman Saha are four others that are certainly going to be in the starting 11. We think Khalil Ahmed, Vijay Shankar, and perhaps Sandeep Sharma could get a starting game. This is a strong lineup provided the overseas batsmen are going for their job. If Warner, Bairstow, and Williamson struggle in the UAE, SRH is going to find it very tough to win. SRH has traditionally been a strong bowling team and they have some very good spinners this time as well. The pace bowling lineup is a bit weak, especially since the conditions are not going to favor swing bowlers like Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Sandeep Sharma. Team preview about Royal Challenges Bangalore. The news that Australian and English players are going to be available from the start of IPL is a good news for RCB as well. They should have Orange Finch, Moeen Ali, and Adam Zampa available if needed. Every season, we talk about the strong batting lineup of RCB, and that is the case this time as well. Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, and Aaron Finch should form a formidable top order. It remains to be seen whether Pati Patel gets his opening slot once more, but there are indications that he might. Add Moeen Ali into the mix, and you have a very strong team already. That leaves one place open for an overseas player. RCB could go for Dale Steyn or the more likely option Chris Morris. The latter gives them a great death bowling options and a power hitter in the middle order. Isuru Udana could also be a very good choice considering the conditions in UAE. Devdutt Padikkal should get a place in playing 11, but to expect him to make an immediate impact might not be the right thing to do. RCB problem in the past have been related to their bowling and an inability to deliver under pressure. Navdeep Saini, Mohammad Siraj, and Umesh Yadav have all been guilty of leaking runs in the past. Virat Kohli will have to use players like Washington Sundar, Pawan Negi, and perhaps Shivam Dube smartly to keep the pressure off the bowlers. RCB is strong and dangerous, but it has some gaps to fill, which could become glaringly big against a settled side like SRH. Now, coming on the toss prediction, the team that wins the toss is going to want the field first. Knowing what's the target you have to chase is something that could be a big advantage on slow wickets. Coming on pitch and its condition, the weather is expected to be dry as can be expected in the deserts, while the surface is going to be slow. In general, the surface at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium is a bit slower than what we see at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium. RCB players, in particular, like the ball coming on the bat and so could be a disadvantage. A score of around 160 could be hard to chase on the surface. Now, Dream 11 predictions. For Dream 11, okay, we are going with wicketkeeper Johnny Bairstow. That would be our vice captain. Batsmen Virat Kohli, Padikkal, David Warner, AB de Villiers, Aaron Finch, and we are going David Warner as a captain. All rounders we have Mitchell Marsh, and in bowlers Shadab Nadeem, Rashid Khan, Navneet Saini, and Stan Lake. Okay, this would be our picks for our Dream 11 team. Now, if you want to go for like a winning odds for this particular match, okay, what we suggest go ahead with SRH, as SRH is the team which has a very strong hold in this game. They have a settled team with the players that known for their roles. The unknowns in their teams are lesser and that matters quite a lot. RCB has obvious world class match winners, but we have seen them struggle to find the right balance in the past. That could be the case once more. So if you're planning, go ahead with SRH. SRH will win this match. Thank you so much for watching this video. I request you all to like this video, subscribe and comment whatever things that you want to share with us. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.